How to create a Flappy Bird game on an ESP32? In this project, we create a simple and fun Flappy Bird game on an ESP32 using an SSD1306 OLED display. The bird jumps when the button is pressed, the pipes move toward it, and the player must avoid collisions. This project is great for beginners in electronics and programming. You'll learn how to work with OLED graphics, handle button input, apply basic physics and animation, and optimize code for a microcontroller. What's shown in the video project: connecting the OLED display to the ESP32, drawing the character and pipes, implementing jumping and gravity, collision detection, automatic game restart. This mini project is an excellent way to improve your skills in Arduino, ESP32, and 2D graphics.